Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, doing a quick experiment, I want to do a quick video. As you can see, I have a lighted caboose running, and just got this built, so I wanted to do a video to document it. This is its very first test on the rail, and it works. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how to build one of these things. It only takes a minute, literally. It took about 10 minutes to make this. And it's almost flicker-free. And I think once it gets run in, it very likely will be flicker-free. So let me bring this around and we will take a look, and I'll show you how I did this. Bring it up here and stop it right there. All right, check this out. Made out of a hacksaw blade, as you see. I used a plastic screw, a piece of tape on the other side of the hacksaw blade. Now I heated this to destroy the temper and then just bent it, as you see. So it's directly over the axle. And then I just have a wire coming off of it going to a light bulb. And I grounded it to the chassis, as you see. So I'll take this around so you can see it again. It's just a piece of a hacksaw blade. And I just got this finished not 5 minutes ago. First test on the rail to see how it's going to work. So far, it's got a bit of flicker, but not much. And like I said, as it runs in and really starts making contact with this rail, that may diminish. Let's find out. So let's take this around again. As you see, it works, no doubt about that. It's really simple. It took about 10 minutes to do this. No muss, no fuss, as you see. So that works surprisingly well. This is the very first test on the rail, so I wanted to do a video to document this. It's really simple to make it. A plastic screw and a hacksaw blade. And as you see, I just bent it so it's facing backwards over the rear axle. And there's a piece of black tape on the other side of this blade to act as an insulator. A plastic screw acts as an insulator. Plastic nut. And a wire coming off that contact going to the base of the bulb, wire coming off the chassis going to the screw or outside. And as you see, this works. It looks nice, it works, costs nothing, and takes about 10 minutes to build this. Literally, it takes about 10 minutes to make this. So I just want to do a quick video on this. It's really simple, as you see. And best of all, of course, is the fact that it works. So it's virtually flicker-free now, as you see. And that is never going to wear out. That's the neat thing about it. And made out of an old hacksaw blade and a plastic screw. So I thought of this, and I thought I'd go ahead and build one to see if it would work. Surprisingly, it works better than I anticipated. It works actually really, really well. And it took literally 10 minutes to make this. The hole is already in the hacksaw blade, so all you have to do is heat it, cut it off to the right length, and bend it. Mount it on the chassis, solder it in place, and you have a lighted caboose. Or a lighted car of any kind, for that matter. It's really, really simple to do this. And it only took literally 10 minutes to make it. And you can see I didn't even take the teeth off the hacksaw blade, as you can see. So it works. It doesn't look bad. It's virtually indestructible. It is made of steel. So I just heated the blade until it was red hot. That destroyed the temper. Made a couple of bends, rounded this edge over to get rid of the sharp edges from where I cut it off, and a piece of tape between the chassis and the other side of this tab, or the other side of this pickup, to act as an insulator, a plastic screw and a plastic nut, and it works. It works really, really well. Surprisingly well, in fact. I was really surprised. So wanted to do a quick video on this. So just wanted to do a video to document it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.